Let's talk about literally my favorite long-term growth stock as of right now, which is SoFi, but we're not talking about the long-term play here. We're talking about the short-term play. As you can see, they have earnings on Tuesday morning. It is actually coming out pre-market instead of after market close. It comes out at about 7 a.m. Eastern time, I believe. And I really want to break down their previous earnings and how I'm going to play these earnings if I do play them. So as you can see here, the last 4 earnings reports, they have beaten EPS every time. But let's take a deeper dive into this. Yes, I'm using ChatGPT because I'm lazy. So in quarter 3 of 2024, obviously they beat EPS as the chart on Robinhood shows. They beat EPS every single quarter in the last 4 quarters, but there's really no raised guidance, soft guidance, so they declined 6%. Now, quarter 4 of 2024, strong profit. Again, their revenue is consistently growing every single quarter, which we can see, but again, soft guidance, really nothing crazy, declined 10%. And then quarter 1 of 2025, they actually stayed flat because revenue was solid again, more and more growth, but nothing crazy on the guidance side, so stayed flat. Then we had an explosive quarter 2 of this year in July with even more revenue growth, but we got raised guidance. So SoFi blew up 18%. And I'm guessing it is safe to assume that we will beat EPS again, and hopefully revenue will still be growing year over year, and hopefully we get a guidance raise, because when they get a guidance raise, SoFi rips on earnings. But on the other hand, if guidance is soft and neutral, or even negative, of course, it's gonna dump. But recently, a lot of people have been saying very good things about SoFi earnings. Obviously, this is X. You can't believe everything you say on X, and these are just random people. And does this really mean anything crazy? No, but a lot of people are quite bullish on the SoFi earnings. And I will say, pretty much the whole year of 2025, this thing has been just up, besides from the dip during the April tariff crash. This thing has just been shooting up, and then recently we got a dip at their all-time high of 30, and we've really just been consolidating in and out of the 25, 28 range. Now we broke out to 29, and we have earnings on Tuesday. So this is an insane, this is very important for the SoFi stock. We are going to see something massive, and I will mention that the implied move of these quarter 3 earnings is 12%. 12% implied move. Currently, this is my position in SoFi. I have 60 shares at an average cost of $26.60. I'm currently up almost 10%. Now, I'm really at a crossroads here for what I want to do for these earnings. To be honest with you, if I do play these earnings, I will probably buy a lot of shares into the SoFi 2x leverage. I'm not doing options contracts. That is a level of the G word, GAMB, blah, 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 that I have retired from. I never do options contracts.